Hi, my name is Gabby. I'm a sophomore, and my favorite part about Ursuline is all the opportunities that it gives me.
Hi, my name's Ava. I'm also a sophomore, and my favorite thing about Ursuline is the flexible schedule.
Hi, I'm Joanna. I'm also a sophomore, and my favorite thing about Ursuline is the community.
Hi, my name is Mackenzie. I'm also a sophomore, and my favorite part about Ursuline is how committed our teachers are.
Hi, I'm Lucy. I'm a senior, and probably something I love the most about Ursuline is how your teachers become more like your family than just like an authority figure in your classes. They really become like your family throughout your 4 years here at Ursuline.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm also a senior, and one of my favorite things about Ursuline is the schedule and how much responsibility it gives us, and I also like how we have classes with different people every day.
Good morning. Welcome to Ursuline Academy, and we are glad that you are here this weekend for our open house. I want to tell you one of my favorite things about Ursuline. What I really love is that regardless of when you graduated, if you come back for a visit, you can find your class year, see all of your classmates, and you can go back in history. You can go back in the early days, in the 1950s, all the way to 2018 and beyond. That's one of my favorite things about Ursuline. No matter when you graduated, you'll be able to find your picture. Again, have a great day, and thanks for coming to join us.